Welcome back, guys, to Living Life with Us. Today, y'all already know we back with another dope video. I should be a rapper, right? I should be a rapper. Don't be, oh my god, because you know my flow is better than yours. Bottom line. Today we are back with another video, y'all. So today's video is going to be some Hocus Pocus themed Halloween cupcakes. Now, if y'all not familiar with the movie Hocus Pocus, it came out like in the 90s. I'm not even going to give a specific year because I really don't know. I think it was 90s. But it's an old school movie that I'm actually just getting familiar with, I'm embarrassed to say. But we're going to do some Halloween themed Hocus Pocus cupcakes. And I'm excited because it's been a minute since we baked. Like, oh my god, like almost 2 years since we did a baking video for y'all.
Yeah, man, that's what we're gonna do today. So you say Hocus Pocus, I'm gonna be her assistant today. So.
That's right, that's right. If y'all already know how that keep telling me.
What I gotta do?
You gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Duh. Hit that notification bell so you know every time the Living Life family drop a dope video. And for our A1 day ones, y'all already know it's nothing but love, you know what I'm saying? All for our newcomers, welcome to the Living Life family. Yes, well, we drop dope videos. I'm not even gonna say every week. You know what I'm saying? Well, we drop dope videos and we try to give y'all the best quality that we can.
Put it like this, we got 6 more days left, so we gotta end this month with a bang. Alright.
Basically, because I ain't gonna lie, we've been dragging a couple videos. You know, life just gets in the way, but we trying to edit in a great manner, like not trying to throw you any kind of quality, trying to throw you some great quality. You know how we do. You know that's him. That's all him that give you that good quality. That's just me with the acting. Y'all already know. So let me shut up and talk too much. I need to take a sip of coffee. Let's get to this video. And oh yeah, y'all, we're on the road to 5K. So like I said, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. 5 seconds. Bam! And now you with the Living Life family. Let's get it. Let's go. Alright y'all, so this is the conclusion to our video. The Hocus Pocus cupcake kit. Like I said, we got this at Walmart. We were just browsing, we saw it. Thought it'd be something cute to do for, you know, Halloween. The cupcake kit itself was about $7. The frosting package was about $7. If you're gonna use the frosting that comes with it, make sure you have your own piping tip. Ones that look like this, you know, you could just find that at Walmart. It's like $2 or whatever. Because they do not come with their own piping tip, so that's the only thing that sucks. Other than that, it's vanilla. It's a great taste, so you don't have to to add any extra artificial flavoring unless that's your preference, is what you want. But it's sweet enough, it's perfect. Y'all probably like wear the rest of them well. We're gonna leave the other ones plain simply because Babe and Kaka do not like frosting. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I'll swipe it off, but mainly JV and Julia likes the cupcakes with the frosting, so that's why we only did like 2 and 2. Like I said, hopefully y'all give this video a big thumbs up. Y'all already know we have way more videos coming to you for the month of November and December. Like I said, we trying to give y'all quality, not just quantity, no? Like I said, we trying to make sure that everything is planned to the T.
Yeah, man,
you know what I'm saying?
We're trying to end this month right though, because
exactly.
we got 5 more days.
Yes,
so,
and sometimes life gets in the way, so
yeah.
While we be trying to film, it be like a lot of other things going on. So
yeah,
we're gonna try our hardest to at least try to push out a couple more videos for this month. But even if some Halloween videos is not published until November, y'all know it's there. You know what I'm saying? So
these next couple videos though, I'm gonna try to drop, you know, these 2.
But you gonna work hard like that?
Try, yeah. Man.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, yeah, man. Like I said, we got 5 more days left.
Yes,
okay, y'all some good videos.
The end of October.
So I'm gonna try to stay tuned for that.
Yes, this month flew. But y'all already know. Follow us on our TikTok at the Living Life Family. Yeah. We're a little dry on there, but we still learning. You know what I'm saying? We come from the MySpace era. We ain't with all the TikTok, Snapchat, and all the other bull crap you got nowadays. But we learning. You know what I'm saying? Follow us on our podcast. Definitely check out our episodes. We talk about a little bit of everything on there, and that's the His Word Podcast. Yes.
So if y'all want to check that out, download Spotify. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Spotify, Spreaker.com.
Everything will be in the description.
Yeah, we're gonna write all that, man. Yeah.
And we got a couple exciting collabs coming. I'm not gonna give it up. I'm not gonna tell y'all who was with. Just know that is coming for the month of November. So stay tuned with that. And other than that, y'all have a safe, blessed, productive week. And with that, we out.